Hello dear students, welcome in this YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss about one case study based question, and this question is taken from class 10 and from chapter 6 triangles. So what is given in the question? It is written that Rahul is studying in 10th standard. He is making a kite to fly it on a Sunday. Few questions came to his mind while making the kite. Give answer to his questions by looking at the figure. So this is figure of kite. First of all, I want to tell you what is a kite. So how will you define a kite? Kite is a quadrilateral in which both pairs of adjacent sides are equal. It means this side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. Okay. So again I repeat, kite is a quadrilateral in which both pairs of adjacent sides are equal. This side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. And its properties are that diagonals intersect at 90 degree. So these diagonals are there, they are intersecting at 90. It means this angle is 90 degree here. This angle, these four angles are 90 degree each, right? And one more property of kite is there, that the longer diagonal bisect the smaller diagonal. It means this longer diagonal bisect this. If this smaller diagonal is a 6 centimeter suppose, then this portion will be 3 and 3. So longer diagonal bisect the smaller one is bisected. Okay. So let's start the questions now based on these properties. First question is, Rahul tied the sticks at what angle to each other? So these sticks are tied on what angle? So we know diagonals intersect at 90. So here 90 degree angle. These two sticks are at 90 degree. So 90 degree answer will come. C option is correct. So let's see this next option. Next question. Which is the correct similarity criteria applicable for smaller triangles at upper part of this kite? So in upper part there are two smaller triangles. How we will make them similar? So let's see what are the criteria for similarity of these two triangles. So we are to make these two upper one triangles as similar. So this triangle and this triangle we are to make similar. Which criteria is followed here? So let's see. See here, this is common side. So it is coming in both, right? This is 90 degree each. Okay. And this side is equal to this side. Why this side is equal to this side? Because longer diagonal bisect the smaller diagonal. Okay, so by SAS, see here, I'll just show you. Suppose I have taken the name of this. First triangle is ADB and second is ADC. I need to make these two triangles similar. So see here, AD is common. So AD is coming in this side or in this triangle, also in this triangle. So AD over AD is also 1. Okay. That is equal to, here see BD and CD. BD and CD are also equal because diagonals, longer diagonal bisect the smaller diagonal. So these two parts are equal. So their ratio will also be 1 because these are equal. So equal, like 5 over 5 is 1. So equal over equal is 1. So their ratios are 1. And here angle ADB is equal to angle ADC because these are 90 degrees. Okay, we know that diagonals intersect at 90 degree of kite. So by SAS criteria of similarity, these two triangles are similar. So I want to tell you there are three criteria of similarity. First one is SSS, means the ratio of the three sides of both triangles are same, then these two triangles will be similar. And second one is SAS, which we have applied here. And third one is AAA. If all the three angles of one triangle are equal to all the three angles of other triangle, then these two triangles are similar by AAA. So here it is applied SAS. So this is SAS. So next is sides of two similar triangles are in the ratio 4:9. Okay, corresponding medians of these triangles are in the ratio what? Okay, so I want to tell you that if two triangles are similar and their sides ratio is 4:9, then their medians ratio will also be 4:9 only. Okay, their perimeters ratio will also be same, right? So it will be 4:9 only. This you remember like this way only. If two triangles are similar, the ratio of their corresponding sides is 4:9, then ratio of their corresponding medians will also be 4:9 only. Now the fourth part is, in a triangle, if square of one side is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides, then angle opposite to the first side is a right angle. This theorem is called converse of Pythagoras theorem. Okay, Pythagoras theorem says that in a right angled triangle, square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. But in converse, it says that if square of one side is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides in any triangle, then angle opposite to the first side is 90 degrees. So that is converse of Pythagoras theorem. So last question is, let's see what is last. So what is the area of the kite formed by two perpendicular sticks of length 6 cm and 8 cm? So here one diagonal is 6 cm and other is 8 cm. Let's find out the area. So let's solve this here. So one diagonal is 8 cm. So suppose this AD is 8 cm and BC is 6 cm. So we know longer diagonal bisect the smaller diagonal. So this will be 6 cm, then this will be 3 cm and 3 cm. If it is suppose O, then BO is also 3 and OC is also 3. And this angle is 90 degree because diagonals intersect at 90 degree. So we need to find out the area of this kite. So area of this kite will be area of triangle ADC plus area of triangle ADB. Okay. If we add the area of these two triangles, we get the area of the kite, right? And these both triangles are right angle triangles. So we can apply the formula half into base into height. So, and their areas will be same because base is 8 in both the cases, height is 3 in both the cases. So we can simply find the area in one triangle and multiply by 2. So 2 into half into base is 8 cm here and height is 3 cm. And multiply by 2 because area of these two triangles is same. So 2 cancel. So 8 3s are 24 centimeter square is the area of this kite. So this way we will solve this question. Thanks for watching. Dear students, I want to tell you that there will be 4 questions on case study based, okay, in the paper. So in all the 4 questions, there will be 5 small questions asked that you have seen here, and we are to attempt any 4. Okay, so each question is of 4 marks. Okay, so 4 questions will be of 4 marks. So there are 16 marks questions will come in the exam from case study based questions. So please prepare these questions very nicely. And one thing more, if you have not subscribed the channel, then please subscribe now only so that you can see all the videos notifications in time and get the next video. Thank you so much.